everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kennedy and today we are doing a Telfar unboxing slash updated collection. Previously on my channel I did do a Telfar unboxing when I got my first two orange and yellow small shopping bags like months ago, almost a year probably. But since then I've purchased 4 more. And out of those, there are 3 that I haven't even opened yet over the past few months because I was waiting to film and we were on a little bit of a YouTube hiatus, but I'm back. If you don't know about Telfar by now, Telfar Clemens, where have you been? Get up out from under that rock. So we love a black-owned, affordable luxury brand. So I'm just gonna hop right into it. The orange and the yellow were the first 2 I purchased, and these 2 are still in my rotation heavily. And these are obviously both the small size. Yeah, this one has some Carmex in it because I use them that often. So you know what these look like. But another one I purchased the olive shopper, the small one as well. I've only worn this once, like for Christmas, because it was like a nice Christmassy color. I had like red on. I didn't have like a green, so this olive green definitely set it off for Christmas. But yeah, I haven't worn it since Christmas. But another one I love, so cute. It's like a nice, this can go with a lot of like neutral fits and things like that. Gotta have an olive around. So these 3 are the 3 that I've actually worn. So now we're gonna get into the 3 I haven't, that are still in the plastic, in their dust bags. Like I literally took them out of their boxes and just put them in my closet. I'm just waiting to film. So the first one I'm gonna grab. This one is the small red one, and of course it comes in the lovely white dust bag with the Telfar Clemens TC emblem on it. And then pull them on out. And we have the nice, they changed the, see, this is how long it's been. I feel like whenever I first got these, they had like paper on it, but this is like a Velcro around the strap now. Okay, Velcro. So yeah, nice long strap. And then take off this piece of paper. This is the red one, and of course we have I can pull it, the Telfar tag. Super cute. This is definitely going to be my rotation now that I finally opened it for you all. Yeah. And I think, how did I get this? I know a couple of these, like the orange and yellow, I purchased whenever Telfar does like their bag security program. And then a couple of them I just kind of got lucky on the drops when they came out, like 9 o'clock in the morning, 10 a.m., 12 p.m., things like that. I just set an alarm. But yeah, I have pretty good luck with getting Telfars. Like every one that I've gone for, like those drops in the morning, I was able to get them. So I don't know when people are like, have trouble getting them, I'm like, you gotta give it your all. So I think, matter of fact, the red one I got like at one of those 9 a.m. Eastern drops, so I just set an alarm and just got it pretty easily. But yeah. Next, I'll have a medium black one. This is the only one I have that isn't a small, and this is one I got from the bag security program. Yeah, this is from the bag security program. So like I ordered it like a pre-order. It's like whenever Telfar lets you pick any size, any color you want, and you just kind of gotta wait however many months for them to ship it out to everybody. So I got this one. Pull it out, this dust bag. Alright. So this is the medium black one. And I originally purchased this as like a bag for like work or things like that. It definitely can fit your MacBook, laptop, whatever. So that's why I got a medium. I was like, if the medium is this big, I don't need a large, because I'm not really like a huge purse girl, which is why a lot of mine are already, all my purses are little small crossbody ones. So So I figured a medium is gonna be just fine for me. I just need to put my laptop in it, like for work or things like that. So that's what that was for, help me decide, because the large looked huge. So nice strap size like the others. And of course we have the handle, so you can kind of switch how you wear it. But this is a nice size. Like, yeah. And then let me get my little, hold on. Just to compare, here is my MacBook. Like, yeah, it'll fit a MacBook. So yeah, if you were on the fence about whether or not to get a medium or a large for just a MacBook or day to day, and you want to save the little $50 in between the medium and a large, get the medium, because the medium is definitely big enough for, you know, day to day corporate world or whatever, little, you know, business boss look. Medium will be just fine. And then the last one that I, you know, got that I never opened because I was waiting to open this one on camera. Like this one, I was so excited because I missed the first drop and I was kind of procrastinating, but luckily I got an email that they were doing it again, and I was like, okay, this is my sign. I'm gonna just show y'all what it says if y'all can see it. It's the UGG and Telfar collab. So it has like this nice like brown tag on it, and you can already see through the paper. But this one was so cute. I have so many Uggs. Like, I love the chestnut color. So when I saw this, I had to have it. It's like, I'm gonna rip it. It's wrapped differently from the others. Okay, look at that. That is so cute. Now that I finally opened it, I can wear it. It's actually cold now. Warm and it's cold. I'm trying to take off all these little extra papers and everything else on here. Okay. This one says, because we all know Telfar is like vegan leather, but this one, obviously because it's UGG, it has real sheep fur on it. It says the fur has been artificially dyed and treated. Fur origin, Australia. We know UGG is based in Australia. So then we just have a tag that says UGG and Telfar, and then there's like a nut on the back of the tag. It's like a whole bunch of like wording. I don't know if you can see it, but it just says, way back in 2010, we made an unauthorized, deconstructed UGG classic boot, the centerpiece of our fall-winter show. That was way before collaborations were a thing, before accessible was considered fashionable, and before a black-owned, gender-free label was considered possible. We've got a long way to go. Better dressed comfortable. And then it has like a Telfar signature on it, so that's cute. And then just gonna take off paper and pull the strap. So of course it has the same, you know, nice long strap, but this strap is like, I can't describe it. It's, what is this? Like it's still, it feels like, you know, the strap on any other Telfar, but like it just feels like, I don't know if it's suede or not, but it just has like that feeling of an UGG boot. Like, you know what an UGG boot feels like, is exactly what it feels like. And of course it has like the little fur trimming, which is what caught my eye. And of course there's the reverse of this they have, where it's like the whole purse is the sheep fur and then the trimming is like chestnut. But I love this. I have so many chestnut pairs of Uggs. I'm already thinking of ways to wear it. And like I said, it's actually cold right now where I'm at. Like I think it was like in the 20s last night, and I think tonight it's gonna be like 19 degrees. So yeah. And let me go inside. Inside this has like some more stuffing paper, and then, oh my god, oh, I was not expecting this. There's a dust bag inside. It says UGG and Telfar. I didn't even know that was in here. What? I mean, I guess since it was wrapped up in plastic, I totally forgot about the dust bag. That is so cute. Y'all see it? That is so cute. Okay. I love Uggs. Okay, so yeah. That was the last one of the 3 that I had unboxed. So we're gonna do a family photo real quick. So we have the UGG one, the red one. If I can get these all to stand up. The olive one, the orange one, the yellow one, and can't forget the medium, the mama bear, the black one. Oh my god, this is like this is a problem. But yeah, can you see them all? No, I'm ashamed. I think, let me see if I move the black and the chestnut out the way. If I just get a blue one, we got a nice amount of the rainbow going on. Let me see. All right. I got my Roy G. I need the Biz. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, that's a problem. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you all my little haul unboxing collection. This is so cute. Ooh. I'm excited about this one. I literally wear Uggs every day because it's so cold now. Now I can finally accessorize. I could have been accessorizing. I've had this for like over a month, but I have to open it on camera. So now I opened it, I can finally go crazy without my little fix like I want to. Alright, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. We're gonna all say goodbye to you.